Hi guys, I'm back. I know I'm a little late. Like I said, I was gonna come back on earlier, but I had stuff I had to do. But anyway. But I have two special guests with me tonight, Johnny and my friend Aiden. Say hi, guys. All right. I gotta sprinkle this to a few places. Facebook does not like the word share, so I got to use the word sprinkle. Give me 1 second, guys. I gotta get out of my. Johnny! Do that. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Turn my volume down. Johnny? Don't do that, please.
You have no viewers.
Yeah, because I haven't sprinkled it yet. Can't say that word. Give me 1 second, guys. I know I'm quiet tonight, but I'm trying to get this thing out.
That's a long time. You got a viewer. Hi. Mi bola.
I know it's kind of crooked because I kind of moved the thing before.
Who's your one viewer?
I don't know. Probably me.
Oh.
But anyway.
Oh.
Give me 1 second, guys. I'm kind of. There it is. Okay. I don't want to do that. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm trying.
What? I don't have anything on.
Okay, I gotta share this to my business page because it won't let me share my business to my business page to my personal page. So I gotta.
2 viewers.
Cool. Thank you. All right. All right. As you guys come in and say hi, share, or sprinkle. Sorry, I can't remember not to say that. But tonight I am doing. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's kind of far back. But give it a minute. I don't know if you guys can read it, but it's called To the Fridge and Back. It's this is one of our Kickstarter transfers, which there's 3 of them. I don't know if they're still available, but you guys can get them if they're still available. Hopefully they are. I don't know if they are, but yeah. All right. This is what I did about 2 nights. I think 2 nights. Yeah, 2 nights ago. And I want to take this off.
No, not 2 nights ago, bruh. Oh yeah, it was 2 nights ago.
I'm getting ready to spray this, and I'm going to scrape this off with my paste scraper.
Hey, who's the 3rd viewer?
Oh no, Johnny.
I'm going to look at the comments on your phone. Adam is watching. Adam? Can you dad Adam? Cousin Adam? Yep.
Let me see something.
And the stars tonight. Hey, how do we see the comments on that? I want to see the comments.
They'll pop up.
Yes,
They'll pop up.
Yeah. It's kind of delayed.
I know. There's always a delay. Always a delay. Facebook has a 30-minute delay. Alright. I'm getting ready to take this off my board. With my paste scraper. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I might have to speed up. So, Johnny!
When do the comments pop up? Because there's a comment.
I don't know. I need one of you guys go get a roll of paper towels, please.
Come on. Go get a roll of paper towels. Okay. But they're going to miss me when I'm gone.
Johnny, hurry, please. I need to get this.
Where in the world are they at?
Go ask my mom, please.
Oh, she's on the side.
Go talk to go. What?
Yeah, I'll just go ask her.
Why I can't see it in my comments? It's weird. I'm gonna try something real quick. I don't know what. Can't even comment on my own video. I don't know why. That's so weird. Anyway. I'm getting ready to. I'm taking my board eraser, taking the paste off my videos. Get ready to do like I did. Well.
Momo's paying $340 for me for my birthday.
Cool.
Yes, I am back.
Thank you. That's what I needed.
And now you can see me. Hey, how much people are watching? 0.
You guys come in and say hi, Sprinkles. I can't talk straight. I'm gonna really clean up the other side too.
I'm a pterodactyl.
So what'd you guys do today? I stayed home like I always do. That's alright. I'm ready to. Sorry about the noise. But... Okay. Put these up here. Eat it. What? Okay. Alright. Tonight I am using my board and base. Here's the board. Here's the base. This can go either this way or this way. Like that way. I'm gonna be using it this way tonight instead of this way. Okay, I got a little paste on it. Let's see where I put it off. So what you guys been up to today? Anything interesting? Sorry, you kidding. Oh wow, I think this like moved on me. But anyway, as of that thing hits me in my head one more time, I'm going to scream. Not really, but I think I need to move the show somewhere else. Because every time I move, I hit my head on it. But you know, it's okay. What I'm doing is I'm taking the transfer out of the plastic, getting ready to cut this in half. See, okay, there's a line I can cut right here. That's what I'm getting ready to do now. Now tonight I'm at the post my transfer because it's super sticky. Okay. Got that cut. And I'm getting ready to not get my stuff all dirty again. Guys have any questions? Let me know. I can answer them. Good enough. Alright. Okay. What transfer do you want me to put on what side? Can we put this one on this side? Or does it really, it doesn't really matter, does it? No. I really need to get my desk not wobbling no more, but.
Two viewers.
Hi, Amber. How are you? And for some reason, I can't see my comments, but it's alright. Alright. Now I'm getting ready to close my transfer. Oh, wait. I don't. Oh, I should write the word back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write the word back on this transfer because it's reusable. All our stuff is reusable, minus the canvases I use, but everything else is reusable that I currently use. But we have stuff that's only one time used anyway. But, alright, I'm getting ready to write the word back. See? Alright, sorry about that, guys, but. I'm getting ready to fuzz my transfer. My fuzzing cloth. See, Aiden, feel that.
Where?
On the blue part. Just. It's like sticky, isn't it? Right. What I'm doing is I'm getting ready to fuzz my transfer. I'm gonna fuzz it like maybe 4 or 5 times, but. So what you guys got planned for tomorrow? Tomorrow's my payday, so I'm happy. I'm surprised my mom's not watching. Okay, you said to use this on this one?
I don't know who my 2 viewers are, but
I think I'm gonna go earlier tomorrow. Yeah, that'd probably be the best thing because I know I get more people earlier than I do at 10 o'clock at night. I think that's pretty good. Right. What I'm getting ready to do is I'm getting ready to make sure my board's completely dry. Wow, I don't think they're gonna put on there.
I have 1 viewer.
No, I see that.
I have 2 viewers.
Really? Huh? Hi, Mom. How are you? Or should I not even ask that? And of course, there's like a spot on my transfer.
How do you spell your name?
What?
How do you spell your name?
T-E-R-S-I. That don't work. I don't think it'll work. It will work. I'll make it work. I know I'm forgetting something to talk about, but yeah, I'm drawing a blank, like really bad. Freaking, there's okay. I'm freaking dog hair on my transfer. Got it.
Been live for 8 minutes more than me.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. I am using our new paste color, which is not going to be available after this catalog that we're currently in runs out. I'm going to have to get some more of this. I know I haven't even opened this yet, but brand new paste. Keep that in there.
Okay, a person is coming over from my life to your life.
What?
2 people are.
Cool. I'm doing some stirring my paste. You know, on the new formula that we have, you don't need to stir it. I'm just gonna stir it anyway.
Got a new viewer.
Hmm?
Did you get a new viewer?
Yeah.
What's her name?
I don't know.
It's Jenny Willis.
I'm sticking my squeegee in my paste. Actually, you know what I should do first is don't need that much paste. What I'm doing is I'm taking my paste, putting it on my transfer. So make sure there's no lines, because the lines will come up on the surface I'm using. Now again, you don't want to pull it from corner to corner. You want to pull it just like this. Of course, you. Now I'm going to clean my transfer off. Get right. Clean my transfer off. This is what I clean my transfer off with, too. I fuzz it and I clean my transfer with. Hi Joyce, how are you doing? How's Tammy doing and the grandbabies? See, it's all ready for the next year when I get ready to use this again. I still gotta let that dry because it's not fully dry yet. So it's gonna be a while. I could take my quick drying tool, but I don't feel like getting out. So I'm gonna just let it sit there and we can talk. Well, I can talk. You guys can ask me stuff if you guys want to know anything. I gotta let that dry before I can flip it over because of that. I don't know. That's the first one. The first side. This is the first side I did. Now I'm gonna take the other side and put the other transfer over it too. Or yeah. Make sure I get that. I should have not used so much paste, but I did anyway. I need to let that dry. You know what? Matter of fact, I think I will. I think I have it plugged up over here, but I don't know how far it'll reach. But yeah, it won't reach up to the table unless I sit down with it. But They're not like that sound. We have another one that we just recently got, but yeah. Put this. I knew that was gonna happen. I touched it. See? Oh well. See, I touched it because it's still wet. I shouldn't touch it, but I did it anyway. I guess I can just stand here and talk. I don't know what to talk about though. I know I'm forgetting something. I can put my paste. This paste up. I'm going to. If you guys don't mind, will you guys come in and say hi, Sprinkle? Well, if I was on my YouTube channel, I can say subscribe to my YouTube channel. But I'm not on my YouTube channel. Not yet, anyway, but I will be soon, I hope. Really don't want to put any. Put my thing in the trash can. That's how I was doing. I can't do nothing until it's completely dry. If I turn it over, it's gonna be a mess. I really don't want to flip it over, so I'm gonna have to let it dry for a little bit. I think I put too much paste on it. That's what my problem is. I think I just did that. I could take my heat gun, my heat tool thing, but I'll open this door, I guess. I don't know, they left me. I don't know, Mom, they left me.
You still on?
Yeah, I am. Alright. It's completely dry. See? Now I can flip it over and put the other transfer on the other side.
That's good.
No. Why did it remember? Wait, like on that transfer. Well, this transfer, I'm gonna fuzz this one now, cause same process. And I should have read the word back on it first, cause it's reusable. Let me re-fuzz my transfer.
No.
Maybe move the towel all the way. Alright. But anyway, guys. Okay, I'm gonna try to figure out. Not figure out. I already know how I'm doing this, but if you guys have any questions, you can always ask me. Well, I'm just building my transfer because it's reusable. I'm trying to figure out what time I should go live tomorrow. Does anybody guys have any suggestions? What time I should go live tomorrow? But, yeah. I've been with this company. Actually, this month is my 3-year anniversary with Chocolate Door. I'm happy. Yeah. Yeah, I might just do this one more time. I'm thinking about doing a t-shirt tomorrow, but I'm not for sure what I'm gonna do yet. I need to think about that tonight and then just do it tomorrow. Thank you for all the loves and likes, guys. I really appreciate that. It really helps me out. Okay, now I'm going to put this on my board. I better put it down just here more. Okay. On this one, I'm using 2 different colors. I am using our Regal and our Bumblebee for this one. The one I'm getting ready to do now. I'm getting ready to stir my paste up because this is one of our old pastes that we have. We got new formula paste now, so. Okay. One question for you guys. Should I use the Bumblebee for, I don't know if you guys can see that, probably not. The Bumblebee for that, for the word work and snack, or should I use the color Regal for work and snack, and the opposite for the other 2 words? Probably use the Bumblebee, like the one for the word work and snack, and you use the other color for hard, the little thing, those 2 things, and often No.
Oh my God.
Don't want to paste in my hair now. Don't think I need to stir this up, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. Let me already pull this off. See how it looks. Oh, I should have used the other purple I have. And of course, dang it. Oh well. Well, it looks okay. I should have done a different color. To use pink or something, but
Nice little bathroom. All right, man.
no.
What?
What may I already do is well, I could do it over if you guys want to make wanted to.
No, it's fine. Don't go backwards. Go forward.
Okay. I should use a different color of purple. I don't think I have any other different colors than purple. I know I have bunches of colors, but almost lost my. Alright. Don't know how many wipes I have left then. And of course. But they're all done there. Freckles! Shush! Dude! It's the dog that we have. It's one of our dogs. One of the 4 dogs. fix it when I get off the live. Nobody wants to see me fix it. I'll wash my fuzzy cloths tomorrow. Well, at least one of them. The other one I didn't. Well, the other one's pretty, not bad, but. And I'm gonna. Okay. Well, that's drying. I'm gonna go ahead and cold up my paste. You guys can't see that. It's always like this around here. Get my paste off my squidgy. Yeah. I've been doing this for it'll be about 3 years. Oh, well, it is 3 years in this month, but sorry for the dog barking. You guys can see me clean my stuff off. Alright, now. Now. I should have picked a different color. I won't be able to see the purple, but that's there. Let's see how good it's dried. Oh, it's dry. Now, I'm gonna already put this back on the transfer. Actually, what I need to do is move it up. And our paste is non-toxic, so if your dog eats your paste, the animal won't get sick. Might buy another couple more of these. I like that transfer. Alright, guys. Here's the front. I did. And here is the other side I did, which you barely can see the purple. I think I like it. And on that side. And I don't know what it's going to look like in this, but this is the base. Looks okay. There's that side. Then you flip it over. And there's that side. Let me know what you guys think. I like it. I know I'm forgetting something. I can't remember what I'm supposed to say. Oh, we have this thing called Club Couture. Club Couture is our monthly subscription. I think it's like $19.99 for 3 months. I don't know. I can't remember how much shipping is, but it's really awesome. It really is. Our starter kit is $99 plus whatever shipping is. I don't know what shipping would be where you guys are at, but. And then we have the Kickstarter kit, which I used our transfers from that tonight on my board and base. If you guys have any questions, you can message me on Facebook or message my page or me on my Facebook personally. So I don't know what else to say, but I had fun tonight. I really did. I'm gonna go live tomorrow. I don't know what time, but I'm gonna go live sometime tomorrow. I just don't know when. But anyway, I'm away a little bit. If you guys have any questions, and you can put them in the comments down below, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. I think that's it. Alright. I will see you guys tomorrow.